Thank you for stopping by to view this contemporary home. Designed for an easy living and low maintenance lifestyle, located at 8363 Suntree Place in San Carlos. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,586 square foot home with an attached 2-car garage is nestled in the Cottages community. Here's your chance to acquire this Sunsplash 2-story home featuring a neutral palette with rich espresso colored bamboo flooring in the living room. The kitchen and dining areas have neutral tone ceramic tile. The open living dining room space makes entertaining easy. The large living room features a gas fireplace that will provide comfort and warmth on cold winter evenings. A classic chandelier with an ironstone finish adds a hint of sophistication to the dining room. An open shelf in the dining room makes a convenient place to set up a buffet. Off the dining room is a slider, leading to a fenced-in, easy-to-maintain backyard that backs up to Cowles Mountain, with beautiful views and hiking trails nearby. A paved concrete patio creates the perfect space for morning coffee or alfresco dining. Next to the dining room is a wide galley-style kitchen with a vaulted ceiling and a skylight that bathes the room in light. White upper cabinets contrast nicely with neutral gray cabinets on the bottom, providing a contemporary feel. Counter space at the front of the kitchen faces the dining room, making it easy for the hostess to be involved with her guests. It features a deep granite composite sink. Granite countertops with one side running the full length of the kitchen provide abundant counter space for those who love to cook and bake. One section can even be used as a desk area. An added feature is modern open shelving to display cookbooks, one's collectibles, or for added storage. On the opposite wall, besides the stainless refrigerator, is a series of cabinets to be used as a pantry and for additional storage. Convenient to both guests and the family, the first floor 2-piece hall bath features an updated vanity. A contemporary staircase, updated with the espresso-colored bamboo flooring, takes you to the upper floor, which is bathed in sunlight from the skylight. To the left of the stairs is a spacious master suite, featuring neutral tone carpet, a gas fireplace, and plenty of windows. This west-facing room, with views of Cowles Mountain, provides a comforting respite after a long day. The attached master features beige ceramic tile, a newly updated double vanity with dual sinks with bronze fixtures and bronze-framed mirrors. There is a shower tub combo and 3 mirrored closets. There is also a linen cabinet and a separate room for the toilet. The main bathroom upstairs includes a newly updated dual sink with bronze fixtures and mirrors. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor, both located at the front of the home with an eastern exposure. Both rooms have neutral tone carpets and double closets. These rooms can be used as children's bedrooms, office, or a workout room. The cottages provide a private pool and spa for community members and is located a short distance from the home. The pool is surrounded by a large grassy area with tall, old-growth shade trees. The pool area has tables and chairs for those who may want to have a picnic while enjoying a swim, and there are lounge chairs for those who like to sunbathe. Thank you for stopping by 8363 Suntree Place. We invite you to come by to view this contemporary townhome and see for yourself why every home is a masterpiece.